What's going on, Count? You want to get some birds? Yeah? You're not shooting anything. I see birds flying all over the place, but you're not shooting anything. I know, Count. I know. Why didn't you shoot all those blackbirds that went flying by? Because then I would get a ticket, and I don't have money for a ticket. And they probably don't taste any good anyway. I'd eat them. I'd eat them all. Did you see that cicada I caught the other day? I sure did, Count. I saw it hanging out of your mouth. No.
All right. Oh, what is going on, everybody? Hopefully this mic is working right now. I'm using a different GoPro. It's my brother's GoPro, and I'm using that little mic that I got this summer or whatever. Anyways, I got my monster going on. I'm driving out to go hunting again. This is the second weekend of the teal season. It is September 16th, 2017. I feel good. I'm gonna go all the way down. It's super early in the morning. I'm heading out to pick up my brother, and then we're going out to go hunting. It's still dry around the area. We got a little bit of rain yesterday, but it wasn't enough to really do anything. We're supposed to get a little bit more tonight, and maybe tomorrow, and maybe once during the week. Unless it goes absolutely crazy one of those times, it's probably not going to be enough to make it in. So the bird count in our area is low right now for the places that I can get to during teal season. But that's not going to stop me. Hopefully I can go out there and get one or two again. That would be awesome. I got all the cameras. I got all the stuff. I got my shotgun. I'm ready to go. So, as always, I will see you in the marsh.
Out here for hunt number 2 of the teal season. Count's over here sleeping. I really don't feel like working the camera today. I'm going to anyway, I guess. There are a bunch of little pop-up thunderstorms around us, so hopefully they don't. Actually, they're all kind of to the west and going north of us. Hopefully they don't actually hit us or pop up where we are, or probably gonna have to go home early. And there are less birds here than there were last week, so probably not gonna be that good of a day anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna try and get a nap.
Good boy, bring it here.
Stay. Some beef jerky today.
Is this one gonna hit us?
Might. How you like that beef jerky, Count? Count gets all kinds of junk food when we're out hunting. Like I said, it's probably gonna be a pretty slow day today, but we had one group of 3 buzz us, and I shot one, and it landed a ways off, and Count and I have gone over there and looked for it twice now, but we haven't found it. Seen more dove than we have teal and geese. There's some geese behind us. Well, in front of us. We're facing that way. They're over there. But we got one blue wing, and it is dead. Check that out. It looks like it's mounted. See that? Look at that. Well, let me show you this side. That side's all bloody. There. Looks like it's mounted and he's swimming. Check that out. That's pretty cool. But anyway, this is probably going to be all for today. Chances are it's going to be all. Hopefully we get another one. Hopefully Derek gets one. He hasn't shot a shotgun yet. There's a lot of swallows though. We could make a meal out of about 1,000 swallows. Well, that's a wrap for today. Oh, it is a long day. All I can say is I hope it rains a lot the next couple weeks before big duck season starts. But we got one. I didn't get a whole lot of footage today, but we'll see. Count's worn out. We looked for one that I downed that flew a ways and went down. We looked for that forever. Count was running around trying to find it, so he wore himself out pretty good. But we got one, so it's not a bust. One blue wing. We didn't even hardly see anything. Not a whole lot of people were shooting. We'll see about next weekend, but for this week, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoy the video, even though we didn't shoot a whole lot. But hey, that's hunting. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment if you feel like it. And hit that subscribe button. That will catch you guys all in the next hunt. Have a good one.